A lot of people have asked me how they can reduce the size of the image that has their signature in it to be able to upload it in websites. Well, students have the same question for their signature as well as their images, which need to be less than 20 KB. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you how you can do it yourself in your computer, and that too without using Photoshop. So let's see how it is done. Here is my file. Right-click on it and select Open With and look for Paint in the list. Paint is a free software available in Windows. You may also find it down in the list. So here is the image in the Paint app. Choose the Select tool and select only the signature area. Go to Crop and hit the Crop button. Now I'm going to be saving it as JPEG to show you the size of the image after cropping. Name it anything you like. And let's go to the folder. As you can see, from 633 KB, it has only reduced to 570 KB. But we want it to be less than 20 KB. So here is the trick. Select the image that we have cropped and open it in Paint again. And save this image as BMP file. Give it a name. I will name it 2. You won't see much difference in the size because the size is going to be reduced in the next step. Let's go and check it in the folder. The BMP file size is 421 KB. Now select the BMP file and open it in Paint once again. And this time you need to save this BMP file as JPEG. And the size will be reduced to less than 20 KB. Give it a name. I will name it 3. Let's go to the folder to check it out. And there you have it. The new JPG file size is only 16 KB without losing any quality. Thanks for watching the video.